Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the turntable motor in your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread all of the screws, securing the bottom panel. Disconnect the LED light wire connector to fully release the panel. Disconnect the turntable motor wire connector. Now unthread the mounting screws to release the old motor. Install the new turntable motor by aligning the shaft so it inserts into the turntable coupler. Then thread the mounting screws. Connect the motor wire connector. Reinstall the bottom panel by first connecting the LED light wire connector. Realign the panel and rethread the screws. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your microwave oven should be ready for use.